Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on Qliothon. And as you can see, you can get paid out in just 10 seconds. So literally when you go in the system once a day between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. London time, and you activate your robot, then your payout happens in 10 seconds. And the withdrawals are only about 5 to 10 seconds to hit your wallet super fast. And you can see they pay up to 6% per day. And folks, they've been online. I've been in it for over 30 days now. Now, before I go any further, let me say I am not a financial advisor, super risky YouTube dude in 40 different plays out here. Some winners, some losers, some sponsors, some marketing, some of my own picks. Some of them stay around for hours, some of them stay around for years. You just never know. So before you invest any money, any crypto in anything that I talk about on my channel, please only use risk capital. Use the same entertainment capital that you would take to the casino, or you would take to play the lottery, or you would gamble on anything of chance. Now, if you operate with that type of mentality in this space and you get your seed investment off the table as fast as you can, you have an opportunity to win. But you need to know that you can lose some or all of your money in everything I talk about. Now, with Qliothon, if this is something that fits into your investment strategy, you can get your money back in 25 days. And when I say your money back, doubled. So I'm liking Qliothon. Now, folks, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Please like it, share it, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. And I'm going to show you once again, step by step, how to get started with Qliothon. So you would just come and drop my referral link in, or whatever link of whoever shared this with you in there. And then it's going to come here. Then it's going to give you an opportunity to register. And then when you register, you can use any number. So 419-123-4561. Let's try that. Password, and then confirm. You do need a referral code to register, folks. Mine is right there. And like I said, it will be in the description of the video. Once you get registered, folks, with Qliothon, this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you a couple things here from the user standpoint. You can come down here and take a look at their white paper. And I've done longer videos, so I'm just going to give you just a little bit of what they do. So they deal with liquidity bonds. Liquidity bonds help with cost reduction, improved efficiency, transparency, accessibility, and flexibility. Now, after purchasing liquidity bonds, users can enjoy the following benefits: stable income, risk mitigation, diversified investment, convenience, and support for innovative enterprises. Now, here's the advantages of Qliothon technology: real-time risk assessment, early warning mechanism, risk interception, and dynamic adjustment. And then, so folks, with Qliothon, they can determine the credit rating and borrow needs of different enterprises, providing them with a low cost, efficient, and flexible loan service. So when you get in Qliothon, these are packages loans, and the issues liquidity bonds to provide the platform users with stable returns and risk protection. Now, liquidity bonds are a digital asset issued through blockchain technology and cryptocurrency infrastructure. So that's their white paper. You can read a little bit more on it or watch a longer video that I have. And then when you get started, you just want to set up your account. Then you would come over here and click recharge. They take USDT TRC20. When you send it over, it does recharge pretty fast. And then, folks, once you do that, your money will show up on your balance. Now, when you get started, folks, there's a couple of things you have to understand about Qliothon. If you get started on the lowest level, which is level one, that's where everybody starts, on level one. Level one is free. You don't have to do anything whatsoever, right? And you can do $5, $10, $30, $50. That's it. That's all you need to send over. And as you can see, you can make up to 3.5% every single day in just 10 seconds when you send over $50, right? Now, folks, if you want to deposit more, then you need to go to level two. Now, you see level two pays 4% per day. Now, folks, you can see the minimal is 100, and then the maximum that you can do is $500 to get that 4% range. Now, folks, you can't just come over here and pick level two. You have to level up if you want to go to level two. So when you click level up, you'll see you're already on VIP level one. Level two is a one-time $10 fee. That allows you to get into the next level. And then so level three, which I'll show you all the levels, is a one-time $20 fee. And level four is a one-time $30 fee. Level five is a one-time $40 fee. Now, these levels not only increase the amount that you are able to invest, but it also gives you higher percentages if you're a leader or you're referring this with people. So level two gives you 10% on the first level, six, and then three on the third of the profits that the people you refer make. Level three gives you 12, 8, and 4. Level 14, I mean, 4 gives you 14, 10, and 5. And then level 5 gives you 16, 12, and 6 of the profits of your downline on each of those levels. Now, folks, let me go ahead and stop my screen share here. And then let me go ahead and log in. Oh, no, let me actually, I wanted to still continue sharing a couple things with you so that you can see the different levels before I actually log into my real account. Now, on the homepage, as we talked about level two, you see that pays 4% a day, and you've seen the levels. And then here's level three, folks. Level three is 1,000, 1,500, 3,000, 5,000, and 8,000, all 4.5% per day. And that's the level I'm at. And then level four, folks, starts with 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, 50,000, and then 80,000. These are all level fours with 5% every single day. And then level five is 100K, 150,000, 200,000, 300,000. That's 6% per day. Now, folks, that's how this works here on the levels, but you level up to the appropriate level one time. And then, folks, after that, you never pay that level up fee again. And then you just keep investing in your package. Now, let me stop my share here now as I was before. And then let me go ahead and get logged in to my account. And if you have not already, it's a perfect time to go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't go get any popcorn or anything. It's not going to take me that long to log in. And by the way, I'm already logged in. So let me go ahead and show you now that I'm logged into my account. And then you can't see level ones and twos because I'm already on level three, as you see. And then so that's why I wanted to show you to that. You can scroll through here. It shows you how to work your bonds. It tells you the 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. London time. I'll show you where to get your referral link from. And then you can just scroll down here and see all the different things that I had mentioned to you in the video, but just wrote out for you in case you're a reader. All right. And then folks, let me come back over here on the user side here. You can see right now I have $8,239 sitting there. You see, I got $190 in referral earnings today. So I ain't crying. I'm 30 days in this boy and 190 per day. That's almost 1,400 per week on people making money and me getting a percentage of that. Powerful. I'll take that. And then, folks, you can also take a look down here and see your funding records, when you put in money, withdrawal records, and you can see I've been withdrawing, and you can see July 11th, July 10th, July 9th, July 8th, July 7th, July 6th, 5th, um, and then the third and second and first. So I missed the fourth. The fourth is the only day I missed this month. And then, folks, you can see last month I was a little more spotty. I wasn't on it every day. Like I gave up a lot of days in between there. But you just need to log in once a day between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. London time and get your money. Your link to share with friends is right here. You bind your mobile number, bind your withdrawal address, and then you can take a look at your team if you're team building. So I have 70 team effective, $37,000 deposited in my team. And, you can see how people are getting paid, all of that different stuff. So pretty dope. I'll take it. It's working right now. I've already doubled my money. And so now I'm playing with house money no matter how long it lasts. And so I am very appreciative of that. Now, let me go ahead and show you how this works. So I log in once a day. I'm on level 3. I have 8,000. You got to do flat numbers. So you click buy, and then this is going to count down for 10 seconds. And then once this thing counts down, that $360 at 4.5% that I'm making on my $8,000, excuse me, all I got to do is click receive. And now I click receive after I ran that cycle, right? And then now you'll see I got 85.99 in there. So I earned $360 a day plus the $190 that I made off of other people making money because it's a percentage of the money that they make every day, right? I'm thankful, very thankful for that. So now that 360, I would draw every single day. So I'm gonna go in here, balance withdraw, and I'm withdrawing 599 because I will be running a cycle again tomorrow. And then, folks, there is a 12% withdrawal fee. And that is why it does take about 25 days for you to double your money in this project, which is super dope. Now you see I'm left with 8,000. And then I'll be back in Qliothon tomorrow to do the same thing again. As long as this thing keeps going, I'm going to be getting it every day. All right. Hey, but thank you very much for watching and listening. And if you haven't already for the last time, like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. And then, folks, if you want to find out more about the other projects that I'm in, come on over to my website, cryptomadeeasy with a Z.net. Cryptomadeeasy with a Z.net. It is your gateway to crypto, excuse me, passive income with crypto, Forex, arbitrage, and copy trading. And then we make crypto and Forex investing make sense with options available for you, to you. Now, also my new project, K100. If you don't know anything about it, come on over to my website and check it out. We've been going for 30 days strong. And all the other projects that I've been in for 30 days or longer, they appear right here on my website. I am in other projects. Some of these things need to be updated and taken down, and I will get that. And there's Qliothon right there, pumping 30 days strong. And then, folks, this is what the YouTube channel looks like. Money, Ministry, and Motivation. 5,600 subscribers. Thank you, every single one. You can come and see all the videos organized over here by playlist. And then, folks, also, this is the Telegram channel, Passive Income Club by Money, Ministry, and Motivation, 3,700 members and climbing. And then lastly, folks, it is the Facebook group, Money and Motivation Passive Income Group, 6,300 members and climbing. Thank you very much. God bless you. You have a powerful day. Peace.